up, y'all? Got the same clothes, same day, just another vlog. Got here to Julio's and Chingy's house. Well, Chingy's house. Julio and the guys here, so if possible, let's see if we can see what I can show you guys what's going on. My boy. Oh, this shit. I didn't know this shit has no interior either.
Oh, you gotta clean it up. I was cleaning this up.
Oh, but you took the interior out though.
I'm putting everything back in there though.
You got the little pill in here, right?
Yes, sir.
I smell it. It smells good. No, bubble's nice. You just need to clean it though. This right here.
I gotta clean it, bro. I never washed it since I got it.
Bro, that shit got marks of doodle stains and everything.
I know. I never washed it, bro. Shit.
Nah, that was too. Ashton his blunt on it. I'll bring my stuff.
The most I do.
You know what you could do? Buy the mother's clay bar, the sponge, and I'll do it. I did it on my CRV. Everything came off. The bay you go wash off though. Bro, it's stuck to it.
It's gonna come off.
I mean, with the pressure washer, yeah. Just don't do it too close, but do it like a little far back. You're turning his whole shit into a fucking. Ching, how many bikes we got, bro?
Count.
This is like a Honda. This is like Honda's to him. Them shits is fresh up there. That one, I like that shit over there. The purple and yellow one is fire. This is the one you just got, right? The bike you just got?
No, I got the gray one. This one my boys got.
White one is
this. My boys just got it.
This is like the street legal dirt bikes, right? Basically.
This is the same shit you got, right?
Yeah, but 2017.
This one is crisp. You should look like shit out the dealership. Sheesh. Why?
I'm sure they don't make them no more. So hard to get them, bro. This is older
Bro,
than me.
this is
an 89.
Right. Oh yeah, it's like my motor, 89. It was on a regular like street man, not even.
I think when he at first went cage,
Chingy's new swap right here.
I put up a video like doing it for the grand of some shit.
Stock 12, I'm about to go in here.
And then after that, I never see him post anything after that.
Alright, so this is Julio's.
Nigga, shut up. I'm sorry.
Julio's
Niggas know how to get high.
2420 stock bottom man, same build head. And that's Chingy's over there. Chingy's is a full 2.4, right?
From the oil pan to the top.
But you did the pump though, right? You didn't do nothing?
Nah, we gotta take. Well, we just took out the pulley, so now we gotta take apart. We gotta take apart the whole side.
Yeah, because isn't it like if you don't do the type S pump, you can't rev it. You can't rev it that high. It's not a lot of oil pressure. The one I was in the one I was in the brown one. I mean, like I said, there's a lot of myths of do's and don'ts.
It's good to do it, so that way it has good oil pressure.
I heard the S2000 pump works on these shits.
That's some other. Yo, Shingy, you doing a cage on this one, right?
Now, no. At the moment, no.
But it's gonna be eventually, yeah. No, bubble's clean.
He's gotta make a thing so
I was gonna say bring it to my house and I forgot I can't even drive this shit. Yo, this shit needs an ultimate clean though. I see all the running, all the thing on it. Bro, buy it, buy the sponge, buy the thing. Boom. Oh shit. Yeah, I need drugs. Holla, he got the drugs. Damn, it's all the stock parts right here. Whose motor was automatic? That one? I can see the donut right here. Automatic motors be the best. Huh? Bro, this awesome works. They paid $3 for this shit, Julio. We paid like $1 for this shit. Yeah, Julio? He paid $3 for this shit. We be paying for like $2, $1 for this shit in a dollar store. Yeah, I think me and Julio been using that shit for like 10 years. That awesome? Huh? Bro, that shit literally took all the marks off. Look. Had all those marks. I just took it off. You don't even need it. You don't even need a car wash. Just wash it with awesome. That's it. Yo, Julio, remember you came the time you brought the 4-door to my crib? Yeah, he put soap and a whole bunch of awesome in it. About to put an F1 sticker. Got my coil pack. Some other go coil unplug on the Civic. So I got these from Julio Spare Motor for free. Brand new. Alright, go ahead, put it there. Yeah, you high, so make sure you put in the make sure you put it in the right spot.
Let me position myself for this one, dude.
Hold on, let me make sure. Yeah, that's good right there. Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah, that's good.
Sure?
Yeah. Nah, that's good. That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
Yo, that's crazy that they make. It's insane that the K series come with things like that. Shit is nice. Then interior and this shit is fresh too. It's got all the dynamite. Still need a lot of things, but. Say Hula coming out next month. Ooh.
I had to clean the shit up.
Nah, it's clean though. Shit is clean.
Clean it with like a wire wheel.
People do the wire wheel too on the whole block. You seen it?
Yeah.
That shit takes mad long though.
Yeah, I did it to where the fly was at. Where the fly was at?
Yeah, on that I was looking. That shit's mad clean. That one's clean. Y'all did it on that one?
Nah, not yet.
That one's kind of clean. But it's because that one is automatic too, so it has a big donut.
This one right here on top?
Yo, Chingy, before you put that motor in, whatever. I was gonna say change that main seal. Where the flywheel goes.
Nigga, look, it was that clean. We didn't do it.
Oh, okay, you good.
We didn't have no oil leaks from there, nothing.
So you need what? You need a tranny.
I need a flywheel, trans, axles.
We need a clutch too. Isn't your clutch bad?
Just the,
So you need. We said, oh, you need axles, tranny. What happens to the other half? Ever broke?
it been good. Gotta put the oil cooler on over there. I wanted to cool off the oil, you know what I mean? I'm barely, so I'll be driving around.
My oil, my shit is new too, and I gotta change that shit. I'm gonna do. Oil what?
Oil pressure gauge.
Yeah, definitely gotta get that on now. I definitely gotta get it on mine. I have to get it on mine because I'm turbo.
You know what's good about that gauge? You can set it to
fresh,
the point where,
fresh oil pan.
if you lose
Oh
oil,
damn, that shit is mad clean right here.
you just shut off the car.
Yeah, I cleaned it.
That shit is mad. You see, people do that to the whole block, but then eventually it's gonna get dirty again. Though. Yeah, you gonna want a stock one?
What do you think about the black? Black or paint the same color? Black or the same color as the black? That's a chocolate gray.
Maybe some color, I don't know.
You're not gonna really see it because you gotta remember there's gonna be a manifold fender, but it's gonna be black. If you wanted to.
Just do the same one. Just do the same color.
Same color, right?
Huh?
K-series for the week.
Yo, Chingy, you couldn't just get a book, my nigga?
Bad fool. My nigga, this is Yamaha.
This is Yamaha.
You about to go through like 50 sticky notes.
Yeah, I know.
You should have just got a book, bro.
Fuck it. We got
No,
that.
you're gonna lose that shit too.
No,
Watch.
I'm not.
Put that shit right on the motor.
Yeah, right on the motor.
Put
Tape
it,
up.
stick it to the front front windshield.
Julio's not gonna like that. I already could tell a lot of nuggets he don't like it.
Fuck it, Julio. Let's just put your motor in my car for the meantime.
Your motor in your car?
We could dead. Everybody having whatever.
But we have enough parts to make everything happen. You imagine that I just sell everything?
You know what we could do? We just come out with one whole different car. We go get black car, put my motor in it.
Where is it?
We gotta get trained.
Alright, heading home. I had a whole argument with a guy because he hit my car with the garbage. I had a whole fucking argument with this old guy. So you know what? He got mad because I was right. Point blank. The dude fucking hit my car with the garbage can fucking top, bro. Like, and it scratched the back of my car. And I was okay. I was like, oh, whatever. It was the old lady. But then he was like, come on, dude. We want a full paint job. And I'm like, you fucking dickhead. This car, I mean, paint is fresher than the car has been painted. Again, I was fine with it. But he started to be a dickhead about it. Whatever, long story short. He got scared and apologized. I wasn't doing it. He was like 50 something. He was just being a dickhead. But yeah, I'm about to head home because I am tired. And I'm gonna do coil on plugs on my Civic or this car. So much I'm gonna do to this car, but like I told you guys, taking my time. This shit is that new mold and everything is not gonna be done in this car for really, I'm not gonna say really long time, but worrying about other more important things right now than that. But yeah, so let's head home, guys. Hopefully, the video is long enough. Julio's almost ready. He needs a trans, all that shit. Chingy's car needs a lot more stuff also. Tube is about to be done also too. I think he just needs, yeah, his car should be out also too. So we all coming out with some stuff, man, some good stuff. Oh, you see your boy arm looking, ooh, chill. Alright, let's go home. Hey guys, like always, forgot to close out the video. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe, guys. Let's hit 30,000 subscribers. Stay tuned for Julio's build. It's almost there. He needs a couple more stuff also for his car. Look out for Chingy's new build also. That one needs a little bit more stuff than Julio's, because actually it's almost done also too. But that's gonna be another, like, you know, race car slash track car. I'm not sure if it's gonna be like, I think it's still gonna be like a street car. He's still gonna be driving it in the street, not like his last one, whatever. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Remember, build to enjoy. Peace.